windstorm, folks, and we're here at one of the highest places in Montreal, St. Joseph's Oratory, and it is right now Wednesday, February 28th, 2024, 6:35 p.m. Eastern Canadian Time, and we'll see what we could see in the hours ahead. Alright, it is now Wednesday, February 28th, 2024. It's 7:16 p.m. Eastern Canadian Time. So last time we had a windstorm like this, or at least when I last filmed a windstorm, was back in December of 2021. That's the last time I think I filmed a windstorm like this, from here at least. And in fact, the video from then opened up the same way. We had these no parking signs, or whatever they are, come down right when I started the video. So we're going to walk around a bit. But what's happening this time is we have rain that's associated with this. So I'll explain what's going on. Hopefully you can hear me. I'll show you quickly over here. So we had a very warm day today, probably about 14-15 degrees Celsius. That's plus 14 or 15 degrees Celsius. And now we have a cold front moving in, and I can already feel the temperature starting to drop. And temperatures are actually going to go down to minus 15 degrees Celsius overnight into tomorrow. So because we have such a strong warm front and a strong cold front moving into the area, these systems, I guess, are not so much colliding, but they're going to basically create this wind that you're seeing. This is usually something that happens when either a warm air mass or warm air system moves in to an area where there's a cold air system. Usually, from what I see, it's when a cold air mass or a cold front moves into a warm air system. So when these two systems basically transition, usually from warm to cold, you get this wind. And I love it. Alright guys, we're back here inside. It is Wednesday, February 28th, 2024. 7:25 p.m. Eastern Canadian Time, and again we're at St. Joseph's Oratory. We are facing towards the north, and look at that wind. You can see it from the inside here. And Laval, St. Eustache, St. Jerome, Laurentians are all in that direction north, and the wind is so strong that the windows occasionally buckle. And we're gonna go back out now soon. Try to document some of this footage of another windstorm here. And if you like windstorms like me, if you like intense weather, St. Joseph's Oratory is the place to come and see this. Alright, time to head back out. Alright guys, back outside. And I'm here at one of the highest points of the oratory, at least on the exterior. And I kind of have this wall here shielding me from the wind, just so I can show you guys what's happening. You can see the rain. I'm trying to focus here as well. That rain is falling horizontally, and it feels like maybe there's freezing rain right now, or maybe it's just so windy, but when that rain's hitting you with this wind, it feels like ice. Whoa, where did this fall over there? Did you see that? That's incredible. Right over there, something just blew. And that's why I'm out here documenting this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to stay here for a while, go in and out of the oratory, dry off, relax, and then come back out occasionally. And this is incredible. All right, we'll continue documenting this windstorm here. And it is getting colder, and the winds are only going to get stronger from here. All right, guys, we're back down to ground level. And as they predicted, as they said, the rain is now changing to snow as the temperature drops. And just so you know, it's, well, of course, Wednesday, February 28th, 2024, 8:09 p.m. Eastern Canadian time. And there's where we started the video, right up there. Now we're going to look around and see what we can see in terms of action, responses, and already I hear some sirens. One of many tree branches down right now, and one of many more to come tonight. So if you're ever wondering why so many power outages happen, here's an example. Look at this branch here dangling off of this wire. Now, that's probably not an electrical wire. That's probably just a telephone wire or something. But that gives you an idea of why power lines fall. It's not the wind itself that always knocks down the power lines. It's usually the wind knocking branches down, which then impact the power lines, bringing the power lines down. So this goes to show you. Alright, so it is right now 8:20 p.m. Wednesday, February 28th, 2024. Just outside the Snowdon Metro Station, and I found a blackout zone just to the north of Snowdon Metro Station. So to show you what it looks like here as we approach the blackout zone. This is, like I said, just north of Snowdon Metro Station. Looks like the street lights are still on. Now the street lights, mind you, sometimes, actually usually have a separate network, separate electrical network than the residential, commercial, industrial buildings. So I think for the street lights, usually they're underground wires. And here you can see though, these street lights are out, but these ones are still on. But here we are in a blackout zone. One of many, many blackout zones tonight. I'll just walk around here for a little bit and show you. This is, of course, Côte-de-Neige. So power is out here. Who knows how long it's going to take for these power outages to be restored. This is one of many right now going on. So I'll keep looking around, documenting, and see what's going on. As the winds are still quite strong from the west, as this cold front now has moved in. And as I showed you earlier, rain has changed to snow. The warm air mass has moved out. Now it's the cold air mass that has moved in. We're getting word that the REM is down. Maybe we'll go check it out at Central Station. Little bonus feature here. Because you know what? What you're seeing here, this blackout, is what it's like in all the other blackout zones. So when you've seen one, you've pretty much seen them all. Now we'll relocate to another part of the city to see what's happening elsewhere. Alright guys, so we're here at Central Station. Apparently the REM is down. Let's go check it out. So if you want to know, it's Wednesday, February 28th, 2024, 8:51 p.m. Eastern Canadian time. And apparently the REM is down due to a power outage from this windstorm. I'm not sure if the wire above the train got damaged. It's most likely what happened was, well, the electrical current feeding the wires was cut. Probably the wire that powers the REM was cut, and that's why we have an outage. So this is blocked off, and there's what it looks like when there's an outage right there. Machines are off. Alright, so I'm going to wrap it up here with this final segment. It's now 8:58 p.m. Wednesday, February 28th, 2024. And of course 8:58 Eastern Canadian time. So yeah, we're here in downtown Montreal. The winds are still strong and the amount of power outages are increasing. And what I'm going to do now is probably film a shuttle bus ride for the REM, because the REM apparently is out of power and shut down as a result of this windstorm. So I'm going to film that. So, you know, a little bit of action in this video. Hopefully you enjoyed that. If I do see anything interesting, I'll add it on to the rest of the video. If not, then thank you all for watching. As always, if you like what you see, hit the like button, subscribe, turn on your notification bells. More documenting to come.